If you are tired of the constant struggle of shaving your legs and your armpits every 2 days, painful waxing sessions, or spending all kinds of money at a med spa for expensive hair removal treatments, you've probably looked at these IPL laser hair removal systems. But with so many different devices on the market, how are you going to know which one works without burning a hole in your pocket or in your skin? This one here is the Wavytalk Beauty's Barrett IPL laser hair remover system. It was gifted to me by the brand, but my opinions and reactions remain my own. So let's dive in and see how this works. This one here is the Wavytalk Barrett. It's the Precision 2 model because it has the really neat roller that helps you to do this smoothly and thoroughly across your skin surface. It has 24 joule pulse power and it has built-in ice cooling so that as the area is heated up to remove the hair, the area is also cooled down to help promote a good comfort level while you are doing the process. I'm going to show you how it works, what it feels like, who it's best for, and whether it gives you long-term and painless results at home. For those of you who love a good unboxing, be sure you hang around till the end because I've included an unboxing of this product at the end of the video. So you can see exactly what comes in the box, including whether or not you have to go out and get yourself a pair of those shaded eyeglasses for when you use it. Now, if you're looking to grab one right away, the link for purchase is in the description below. If you enjoy tech and beauty reviews about products just like this, be sure you smash that subscribe button right down there to be notified every time I post fresh reviews. Let's break down the specs that actually matter. First up, 24 joules of dual pulse energy. In simple terms, IPL works by using light energy to target the melanin in your hair follicle, putting it into a resting phase. Higher joules means more effective energy reaching the root. A lot of entry-level devices max out around 10 to 15 joules, which takes forever to see results. The Wavytalk delivers up to 24 joules, pulsing twice per flash to penetrate deeply while keeping treatment times quick. There are two features that make this device stand out from traditional handheld IPLs. The first one, most noticeably, is the precision roller. Instead of a tedious stamp and lift method where you miss spots or overlap constantly, this roller helps you glide effortlessly across larger areas like legs and arms in auto flash mode, which is going to cut your treatment time in half. Who doesn't like less time in a treatment? Secondly, the ice cooling technology is definitely a game changer in this. If you're concerned about pain, especially in sensitive areas like the bikini line or underarms, this is a lifesaver. As the light flashes hot energy, the surrounding sapphire cooling surface chills the skin instantly down to a comfortable temperature. It literally feels like ice gliding over your skin rather than a rubber band snap. Now that we've talked about it, I'm sure you want to see me put it to use. Now, using it is really straightforward. First of all, shave the treatment area first. Don't wax or pluck because the light needs the hair root intact under the skin. Secondly, plug the unit in. Remember, it's corded so that you get consistent full power without a battery fade. That's why this isn't a cordless unit. Next step, put on the eye goggles. That's right, you want these shaded eye goggles so that your eyes are not impacted by the flashing lights. And step 4, select your energy level based on the skin tone chart. Press the ice cooling button and you're ready to glide. As promised, for those of you who love a good unboxing, let's do a deep dive. What do you get in the package? Inside, you get the Wavytalk IPL device itself with that really comfy grip. The heavy-duty power adapter features an extra long cord, which means you've got some flexibility in where you sit to use the device. You've got UV protection glasses and a razor for the pre-treatment prep, and finally a precision attachment cap that is tailored for facial hair and delicate bikini contours, and a convenient roller cap to make application on larger areas smooth and gliding instead of up and down stamping. Overall, if you are looking for a high power ice cooling device that offers convenient rolling without paying luxury beauty prices, the Wavytalk IPL with precision roller is an incredible value for at-home hair removal. If this has helped you make a decision, the link to purchase is in the description below. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you ever tried an IPL before? Or are you relying on razors and waxing? Let me know your experiences in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe. It goes a long way to help supporting my channel so I can continue to bring detailed product reviews like this one to your YouTube feed. Check out the link in the description below to buy what you've just seen. Scan the QR code to move on over to my Amazon storefront, where you will find carefully curated lists of all my family's favorites. Now, don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you've got a question about this product, be sure to leave me a comment. I'll do my best to answer it. Thanks for watching.